And then, I think the big thing for anybody that you invest with, and this kind of goes for an oil and gas investment or real estate or anything else, is you have to know, like, and trust the person that you're investing with.
Right.
Is
Right.
that person, do they really have access to great deal flow and deal opportunities? Do they know how to underwrite the risk properly? You know, and even if they do those things properly, are they sharing, the right amount of the proceeds from that investment with you as the investor? Like how much do re mi is coming back to you in that investment? Those are really the big things, right? And so a lot of that's just a matter of getting on the phone with somebody, asking them tough questions, really trying to dig through their materials and understand it as well as you can. How much experience do they have doing what they're trying to do? Those are all really critical factors in selecting who you're going to put your hard-earned dollars with.
Right. Right. Well, with the Texas Freedom Fund, and if let's just say, for example, putting 25,000 in, how does that work? Do you pay like monthly dividends, or is it an annual thing? How's that work?
Yeah, so the way that the right now we're setting everything up with special purpose vehicles to start. Everything will fold into a main fund later on.
Mm.
We offer basically a 90-10 split to investors. So we take 10, they take 90 of the proceeds. The projects generally take about, and it depends on the project, 4 to 6 months to get the well drilled, to get everything operational. And then after that, we start to deliver returns to folks every month. So it's like mailbox money, just like real estate.
Okay, great. And did you say earlier that it has to be an accredited investor? Is that
Right.
a
Yeah, we're
requirement?
structured as a Reg D exempt fund, so Reg D Rule 506C. So you do have to be an accredited investor to invest.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay, cool. Cool. Wow. Well, I think that's really interesting. I'm going to look more into that and look into the YouTube content on oil and gas investing so I can educate myself on that. And the IDC, intangible drilling costs, tax benefit. I love that. Yeah. So I want to ask you a couple other things and then I'll let you go. So what are you passionate about now in like right now in your life, but also in your immediate future? What gets you up and excited in the morning?